Good morning, everybody. This is Kevin with Exploring with K&C. Today we're going on a hike called the Elephant Arch Trail. That's a couple miles from our house. We've been on this one before. It's a pretty good trail with a great payoff at the end. The Elephant Arch is pretty amazing. The reason we're back here today is because last time that we came out here, we didn't have any cameras or a drone to record the footage, and I really wanted to get that drone out here and check it out. It's pretty awesome and can't wait to show you. So when you come up to this point, you're going to hang a right where it says Bone Wash.
See it? Probably not.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
If you can see that, that's our dog Juno, and it was taken from right here. This was the last hike that she was able to actually do because she just started getting old and couldn't do it anymore. So this was the spot. I can add that picture in on our video. I hereby proclaim this Karen City. I think we have a serious trust issue here. Show us what you think about this sand.
No.
Go ahead.
Bad words. Real bad words.
Girls, tell us what you think about that Elephant Arch.
The Elephant Arch is a great place to come.
You like that?
See, yeah.
And
yeah,
you climbed all the way up there, so you're
yeah,
close?
Yeah.
Really
What did you think was the coolest part about it?
Getting on top of it and like just seeing the view too.
Isn't that great?
So high.
You guys give me stars. See ya.
They're YouTubers. They're YouTubers.
Say hi. I'd say about 2/3 of this is really deep sand. You know, I would say for me personally, the payoff at the end is worth trudging all that sand. But if you're really hating sand, might not be the trail for you. But we'll show you what's at the end and you can decide for yourself. Elephant Arch. I'll come down and go with you then. There you go, everybody. Elephant Arch. That's the elephant trunk. Looks like you can see his eye up there. How'd you like climbing up there for the first time?
I'm glad I did it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you like the views from up there?
The views were great. Coming down was a little sketchy. So
Yeah.
that was the only thing I
should-
didn't like, but I'm glad I did it.
You should probably have your hiking shoes with good gripping soles, huh?
I have my hiking
No, 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 I'm saying that somebody else that's coming up
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Okay, awesome. Let's go.
We can't even hit each other's hands. We're challenged here.
That's because when we weren't trying to do it, it was just flowing easy.
We were so good at it
Yeah,
before we
like,
had the camera on.
we were so cool. They don't even know.
No, they really don't.
So that was the Elephant Arch Trail, and what'd you think of it, Chris?
Scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 7.
And why a 7?
Because the view from Elephant Arch is like incredible. Being able to stand right there and touch it and be right in the middle of the arch, that's pretty cool. The sand is not really fun to walk through, but worth it.
Yeah, I think so too. I was commenting, I think that it's like you got to deal with 80% not so fun stuff like deep sand and really not a ton of beautiful terrain to see, but man, when you get to that last 20%, it is so worth it. I mean, how many times do you get to actually physically go up under an arch and touch the arch? And
the view from the arch was
yeah,
incredible.
yeah, and I would say that if you're gonna climb up on the arch, continue up above the arch another I don't know what, 30 yards maybe, and there's a view out the backside, and it's pretty spectacular. You can actually get up on top of where the arch is too, and the views back in where the Elephant Arch, that area looking over it is pretty fantastic. So make sure that if you're gonna go through climbing up to the arch, that you continue on up and see the rest of it too.
Stop it!
It's a 3.8 out and back elephant gate. Climb like a cat.
Cat?
Yeah. Or rather, a cougar.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
We're going to the Elephant Arch Trail today. The trailhead's a couple miles from our house here in just outside of St. George, Utah. And
That's good stuff.
good morning, everybody. Oh my goodness. Keep going straight. Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to the Elephant Arch hike. Trailhead's a couple miles from our house. It's a 3.8 out and back elephant. God, no!
I got serious tears.
Having a serious speaking problem today.
Elevation.
Okay, yes. Okay, let's try this again. Exploring with K&C, take 974. Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna go on a hike. It's help me.
Whoa! Are you getting sick over there?
No. Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna go on